guys, welcome to episode 23rd of how we build a 5-story building. Here we are in the 4th floor, already erecting metal columns, attaching the metal beams. As you can see here, they're attached to the embedded plate inside the concrete beam. That way we are forming the framing for the 5th floor. At the same time, we are putting the metal deck on top of the framing. That is going to be the floor for the 5th floor. Here, I'm going to show you now how we are installing the metal deck. Here you can see how we are installing the metal deck. Then bringing it up with the crane. Have a big crane here. And they are putting it on top of the framing, moving it all around, and then securing them, welding it to the frame. So here we are already in the 5th floor. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more updates on how we build a 5-story building. Thanks for watching.